All right, so take a second and read over the problem, kind of read over the picture as well. You can pause that, and I'm going to go ahead and start kind of talking through this thing here. So a radio station tower was built in two sections. So, that height would be the first section, that height would be the second section. From a point 87 feet, that is from the base of the tower. So from there to that out, that's 87 feet. The angle of elevation of the top of the first section is 25 degrees. So measuring upwards, they've got a 25-degree angle from the starting point up to the top of the first section. And for the second section is 40 degrees. Question is, to the nearest foot, what is the height of the top section of the tower? So not the overall height, but just this top section there. All right, so let's start with, they give us 87 feet, and that's what we're going to have to use that for both of these. Let's start by finding this, the first section of the tower. So they're down. All right, so notice if we're just working with this 25-degree angle here. So this is going to be, all right, to associate this one with opposite over adjacent. So this is going to be a tangent. So we have tangent of 25 equals opposite, which is y, over 87. Multiply by 87 here, and you're going to get y is equal to 87 tangent of 25. Let's add that up here. So 87 times tangent of 25. So let's do this. What is the height to the nearest foot? Yeah, let's just round this up to like a 41. No, let's actually do it. For this answer, let's do it a couple of decimal places. So 40.57. So y is equal to 40.57. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of rounding it out here, so that way I get a little bit better of an answer for later. So now, if I were to, if I find this whole height here, I can just subtract off the 40.57, and that's going to give me my remaining for x. So I'm going to do a tangent of 40 this time. So tangent of 40, that's going to equal opposite. So the side opposite here is going to be, it's x plus y, but y was equal to 40.57. So we'll call that 40.57 plus x over adjacent, which is 87 feet here. Yeah, so I could have called the whole thing z or something like that, and then when I solve for z, I could have just subtracted this 40.57 off, but this will work. This will just be directly to the answer. All right, so multiply by 87. So we're going to get 87 times tangent of 40. And then we're going to move this 40.57 over. So this is 87 tangent of 40. And to move this positive 40.57 over, I need to subtract it. All right, and all of that is equal to x. All right, 87 times the tangent of 40, and then minus that section that we didn't care about, 40.57. All right, so the top section here is going to be 32.431. So since they wanted it to the nearest foot, it's going to be 32 feet. All right, x is equal to approximately 32 feet. And if you wanted the overall height, just add the 32 and the 40.57. That's good. That's good enough.